Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a high-resolution digital microscope for electronics repair, micro-soldering, PCB inspection, coin collecting, or detailed hobby work, today's TOMLOV TM4K-AF Max is definitely worth taking a closer look at. This microscope combines a 4K camera system with autofocus, a large 10.1-inch display, a flexible spin arm, HDMI connectivity, ring lighting, a large metal base, and split-screen functionality. If you'd like to check today's latest Amazon price, available discounts, customer reviews, and exact specifications, make sure to click the affiliate link in the description below after watching this video. Let's start with the display. One of the first things you'll notice about the TOMLOV TM4K-AF Max is its large 10.1-inch screen. A built-in display can make detailed inspection much more comfortable because you don't necessarily have to constantly look through a traditional eyepiece. Instead, the enlarged image is displayed directly in front of you. This can be particularly useful during electronics repair and soldering, where having a clear view of tiny components and connections is extremely important. The microscope also features 4K resolution. Higher resolution imaging can provide additional detail when you're inspecting small components, circuit boards, solder joints, coins, collectibles, and other objects. For electronics enthusiasts, this can make it easier to examine traces, connectors, components, and soldering work. Another major feature is autofocus. When you're working with small objects, constantly adjusting focus manually can become frustrating. Autofocus is designed to make the process more convenient by helping the microscope maintain a clear image as the subject or working distance changes. This can be especially useful when you're moving between different components or inspecting objects with varying heights. The TM4K-AF Max also features a flexible spin arm. A flexible mounting system gives you more freedom to position the camera over the object you're inspecting. This can be useful for repair work because you can adjust the viewing position depending on the size and location of the circuit board or component. The large metal base is another important part of the design. A stable base is particularly valuable during precision work. When you're soldering or inspecting a tiny component, unwanted movement can make the task more difficult. A substantial metal base can help provide a stable platform for the microscope and the object you're working on. Lighting is equally important. The TOMLOV includes a ring light designed to illuminate the subject from around the camera. Good lighting can make a major difference when you're inspecting small details. It can help reduce unwanted shadows and make surface features, components, and solder joints easier to see. For electronics repair, lighting becomes especially useful when working inside small areas where ambient room lighting isn't enough. Another interesting feature is HDMI connectivity. Depending on the supported configuration, HDMI can allow you to connect the microscope to a larger external display. This can be useful when you want an even bigger image or when you're demonstrating repair work to someone else. For educational environments, workshops, or content creators, displaying microscope footage on a larger screen can also be convenient. The microscope isn't limited to electronics either. The product is also designed with collectors in mind. The wide viewing area can be useful for examining coins and other collectibles where you may want to inspect surface details, markings, textures, or imperfections. Instead of being restricted to extremely tiny components, a larger viewing area can make the microscope more versatile for different types of inspection work. The split-screen functionality is another feature worth mentioning. Depending on the supported mode, split-screen functionality can provide additional flexibility when viewing or comparing images. This can be useful for inspection, demonstrations, and detailed work where having multiple visual references is helpful. So, who should consider the TOMLOV TM4K-AF Max? This microscope could be a strong option for electronics repair enthusiasts, micro-soldering hobbyists, PCB technicians, makers, coin collectors, and anyone who needs a large-screen digital microscope for detailed inspection. It's also worth considering for people who prefer a screen-based microscope rather than a traditional eyepiece design. There are a few things to keep in mind before purchasing. Make sure to check the current Amazon listing for the exact camera specifications, magnification range, working distance, included accessories, HDMI functionality, and compatibility details. Also remember that a digital microscope's real-world usefulness depends not only on resolution but also on lighting, camera quality, working distance, stability, and how you position the object. Overall, the TOMLOV TM4K-AF Max brings together 4K imaging, autofocus, a large 10.1-inch display, flexible positioning, ring lighting, a sturdy metal base, HDMI connectivity, and features designed for both electronics inspection and collectibles. If you're looking for a versatile microscope for micro-soldering, PCB repair, electronics inspection, or coin collecting, this model is definitely worth putting on your shortlist. To check today's latest Amazon price, available discounts, customer reviews, and complete specifications, click the affiliate link in the description below. Purchasing through our affiliate link supports this channel at absolutely no additional cost to you and helps us continue creating honest technology reviews, electronics tool guides, and Amazon product recommendations. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more electronics tools, microscopes, repair equipment, technology, and Amazon finds. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.